A nebula is a cloud of gas and dust in interstellar space. Every nebula contains hydrogen and helium, plus a mixture of other gases. There are several types of nebulae, which is the plural of nebular molecular clouds, also known as HI regions, because they are mainly hydrogen, dark nebulae, supernova remnants, and planetary nebulae. Our galaxy has many nebulae, and astronomers have found these clouds in other galaxies as well. Nebula are often found in the space between stars, known as the interstellar medium. On average, this region contains only around 1 atom per cubic centimeter. However, in certain places, the density can be significantly higher than this, high enough to become visible through a telescope. Some nebulae are bright enough to be seen with the naked eye. The Orion Nebula is one of these, located between the stars in the constellation Orion's Sword. Many others are visible through telescopes, depending on how many stars are around them, to illuminate the dust clouds that form the nebulae. However, it's often hard to differentiate between star clusters, galaxies, and nebulae due to their similar makeup. The result is what we call a nebula, and they are among the most spectacular sights in astronomy. In fact, many of the most iconic Hubble telescope images, such as the Pillars of Creation, are images of nebula. There are a variety of formation mechanisms for the different types of nebula. Some nebula form from gas that is already in the interstellar medium, while others are produced by stars. Examples of the former case are giant molecular clouds, the coldest, densest phase of interstellar gas, which can form by the cooling and condensation of more diffuse gas. Examples of the latter case are planetary nebulae, formed from material shed by a star in late stages of its stellar evolution. Other nebulae form as the result of supernova explosions, the death throes of massive, short-lived stars. The materials thrown off from the supernova explosion are then ionized by the energy and the compact object that its core produces. One of the best examples of this is the Crab Nebula in Taurus. The supernova event was recorded in the year 1054 and is labeled SN 1054. The compact object that was created after the explosion lies in the center of the Crab Nebula, and its core is now a neutron star. Nowadays, nebulae are classified as belonging to one of four basic groups. Number 1. Diffuse nebulae, so-called because they have a loosely defined shape, with each nebula appearing different from the next. Number 2. Planetary nebulae telescopically. Many show a disk that has a similar appearance to that of a planet. They're formed by some stars in the final stages of their life. Number 3. Supernova remnants, literally the remains of a star that has exploded as a supernova. And number 4. Dark nebulae, nebulae that appear as dark silhouettes against the backdrop of stars or another, brighter nebula. Despite their differences, they all have one thing in common. They're all made up of gas and dust, with diffuse nebulae in particular truly looking like the clouds that all too often ruin a clear, starry night in our own sky. Studying nebulae helps scientists understand the life cycle of stars. Did you know our sun got its start in a stellar nursery? Over 4.5 billion years ago, some gas and dust in a nebula clumped together due to gravity, and a baby sun was born. The process to form a baby star itself can take 1,000,000 years or more. And there you have it, a journey into the enigmatic heart of the nebulae. These cosmic phenomena are not just science fiction. They are real, mind-bending objects that challenge our understanding of physics. As we continue to gaze into the universe, black holes remind us that there are still many mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that out there, in the vast expanse, nebula are silently shaping the cosmos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the universe.